Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akif Fakir bin Azan. My number matic is CB240364. Today I would like to tell about my product is Kopok Leko Toki. First, we go to introduction. This project covers the marketing strategy of Kopok Leko Toki, which is one of the traditional Malaysia snack originated for the years called State of Terengganu. Kopok Leko, made of fish with flavor, is one of Malaysia's most recognizable and well-known local delicious. It serves as a showcase of the rich culinary history and the cultural identity of the country, particularly to Malaysia. For cases tasted homemade flavor. The traditional food of today face still competed for a correct variety of snack, both imported in and made. Many younger people are familiar or least exposed to the traditional food. Demonstrate the research or appreciation and demand for the product. For the reason, good marketing become important to help preserve population and regional. This local product for weather, nutrition and even international calculation. Second, we go to product selection. Product selection is Kopok Leko origin at Terengganu, Malaysia. The chosen product for the purpose of the project is Kopok Leko Toki. How we know traditional snack origination from Terengganu, Malaysia. Kopok Leko is made from a mixture of fresh fish, sugar flour and shape, which is then boiled or fed to creative or clear tasted and delicious aroma. It has become a symbol of here Malaysia culture and is enjoyed as a popular snack of eating by people of age across the country. Kopok Leko Toki boosts aesthetic Terengganu recipe with a modern twist in packaging and branding. Named Toki evoked a sense of located, thus giving the brand a friendly and memorable character. What's more, the product is homemade, ensuring is fed in the ingredient with a attractive flavor described by many customers as Rasa Gandum Oli, which traced to the original state of the gandum. Third, we go to the market analysis. Market analysis. Current trend in the nation for center ingredient research interested in traditional culinary product, especially with customer desires for authenticity and conversation. Research report have shown that Malaysia's snack and conversation are expected to record fast growth buoyed by changes in lifestyle and more online food purpose. Second, we go to SWOT analysis. First, strength. Number 2, weakness. Number 3, opportunity. Dan 4, we go to the demand and supply analysis. The demand and supply analysis of Kopok Leko Toki will focus on understanding who the target customer are, what they prefer are, and the potential of the product in both local and international market. The target customer for Kopok Leko Toki are Malaysian between 50 to 45 years old, competition student, working older and familiar that love traditional food. Most of the customer are improvement and supervision preceded a year where frozen or ready to cook product. F. Government accepted due to certain lifestyle. They seek companionship and children follow common snack that remind they are home or their country. A small observation, the marketplaces that people monitors for a local product and believe in homemade quality and have a high willingness to buy the product. Many customers prefer frozen keropok lekor as it can be easily stored and cooked at any time. Social media marketing and modern packaging will appeal to your food customer. Keropok lekor by Turkey could be introduction to the international market in country with a large community such as Singapore, Brunei and the United Kingdom, UK. Next, we go to competitor analysis. Competition in the keropok lekor market of Malaysia remains very high, with numerous small and medium products offering different versions of frozen of ready to consume lekor. However, most of these competitors still depend on basic packaging, limited branding, and offline sale, which diminishes their visibility within the modern market. Each differentiation is itself, though professional branding, premium packaging, and strong digital marketing, making it modern traditional snack suitable for online eating, gift, and distributed across the country. This plus the use of high quality integration and the Rasa-Ganu identity boost its competitive advantage. We go the product strategy. The packaging design. The packaging will be high quality, plastic with attractive and modern look when maintaining the traditional coded identity. A front label highlighting the identity of the product entities. Keropok asli Terengganu 100% with the brand logo self-penuh, ending a friendly and trustworthy character. Other information like name, weight, 530 gram, storage introduction, and even contact detail is clearly displayed to solve customer confidence. The packaging also included handling reminder like simpan di bahagian freezer and jangan cairkan berulang kali, showing care for the quality and safety of good. Next, quotation size. Each pack is filled with 530 gram of keropok lekor, enough for family use and small gathering. The product is frozen to maintain its freshness and shelf life tested even after long storage and transport. Next, we go to the education, and result. First, silence, long distance delivery maintenance product. Number 2, managing stock during period of high demand. Number 3, secure and steady supply of fresh fish. We go to solution. Improve of working solid frozen packaging and added clear solid introduction. Number 2, increase the capacity of production and coordinate better with the production department. Establish long-term contact with local supply of fish to achieve consistent in product quality. After that, the result, the effective marketing plan was able to increase visibility, customer trust, and sales performance. Digital marketing strategy coupled with sampling, event, and interactive packaging how corporate like Turkey found or include funding within the international project full market. This project also limit the available listen of strategy planning, teamwork, and responding ability to customer feedback. Otherwise, corporate like Turkey has great potential for future innovation, including new product varieties and explorating into international market. The last part conclusion. In conclusion, the corporate like Turkey marketing project successful with a strong and effective brand identity while introducing traditional Terengganu utilization into the modern national market. Though effective planning, teamwork, creative branding, strategy digital marketing, the project incorporates that intelligence food can be transformed into a competitive commercial product. The result highlight the importance of consistent quality, customer-focused strategy, and data-driven delicious the decision and increasing strong market positioning. Moving forward, information such as introduction new product, novelty, strategy, and cold chain logistics, and expanding the distribution partnership recommended. However, this project demonstrates that traditional Malaysia food like corporate like Turkey have great potential to get into the market, while resistive cultural identity are supporting local entrepreneurship. That's all about my product, corporate like Turkey. Thank you listening my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.